I have to show you the happiest roses of the morning. This here is Delish, and it is one of my favorites. Here's the utility area. I'm getting a screen to cover that back there, but this is Sweet Mademoiselle, and it is absolutely stunning. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Sweet Mademoiselle. This here is Life of the Party. Pink and yellow blooms. Stunning. Okay, this is Vanessa Bell, and she's been blooming for a little bit now, and she blooms in clusters here, so you can see. I have to deadhead her. Vanessa Bell. And this is the Lady Gardener. She is definitely one of my favorites. She's been blooming for a bit now, and she's pretty big. She's 6 feet tall, and some of these are spent, but beautiful bush. This is Celestial Night. She's been blooming for a little while now too. Look at this. Blooms. Really stunning Celestial Night. And I have the sister one. Here, these are trees, and she's growing huge. She does get, her leaves are turning yellow. They have some yellow. These are past due, but here's some yellow, black spot. Another stunning Lady Gardener. Look, I have a cosmos. This miniature is dragon fruit, sunblaze. The lark ascending. I don't know if this is Silas Marner or Ancient Mariner. I'd have to look it up. But a little past due. Blooms in clusters. Cute. A beautiful daylily. It's more orange in person. Really cool zinnia. Princess Alexandra of Kent. And more Princess Alexandra of Kent. Duchesse de Brabant. Check out this beautiful Rose of Sharon. Oh, it's beautiful. Pink chiffon. Proven winners. Beautiful. Peace. Souvenir de malmaison. Lilies.